Just wanted to make a quick video just to help some people out there if you have a Maytag washer. Um, so we have used it and it's been giving us issues when it goes into once it gets to wash mode. You hear a lot of clicking, and it's not. This isn't the basket part. It isn't really rotating the way it normally would, and it's making a clicking noise. There's a few different things it could be, but this is the easiest way to figure it out if it is this issue, if it's this part. This is the actuator. I forgot how to actually pronounce it, but anyways, it's one of the two. This is the old one. Now, this is very easy to remove. It's literally two screws. It's directly under the washer once you take the guard off. Two screws and an electric plug. You unplug that after you unscrew the two screws and you take it off. If this right here is loose like this, that's your problem. This is the new one. Doesn't move at all. No play. That's a quick way to know whether or not that's your issue. And it's super easy. It's simple. Undoing two screws, like I said, and one electric plug. That's probably the quickest way to find the culprit. If it's not that, it's something else. Hope this helped.